Good day, students. Welcome to an edition of our e-learning class of Patricia High School. Today, our topic will be focused on orthographic projection. Now, let's see the definition of orthographic projection. It's a method of drawing which shows three principal views of an object in two dimensions. Now, these three principal views we are talking about here is the height, the width, and the breadth. Now, the views that are seen in the orthographic projection are the front view, which is front elevation, side or end view or end elevation, including the plan, which is also known as the top view. The dimensions that are shown here are the length and height for front elevation, width and height for side elevation, and length and width for plan or top view. Now let's see the components of orthographic projection, which are namely as principal views, principal planes, and angles of projection. Now these principal planes are drawn on objects. The objects are drawn on surfaces known as planes, and these planes are like screen or surfaces on which the film. Now what is the film? Drawings are going to be projected, and the two types of principal planes are the horizontal plane and the vertical plane. Now, the vertical plane and horizontal plane intersects at an angle and produces four quadrants or angles at 90 degrees each, which is first, second, third, and fourth angle, or first, second, third, and fourth quadrant. Now, the principal view has to do with how the object is being drawn when looking at it and seeing the important details. Now, this principal view has to do with the front elevation, side or end elevation, and the plan, which is also known as what? Top view. Now, the front elevation is obtained when looking directly at the object from the front, which is also seen in the vertical plane. We have the side or end view or elevation. This view is being obtained when looking at the object either from left or right side. It's also seen at the vertical plane, while you have the plan or top view, which can be seen and which is viewed by looking at the object vertically down from the top, and this one is also seen in the horizontal plane. Now let's see the angles of projection. So they are first and third angle projection. They differ in the position of plan, front and side view. Now the first angle projection is used by the British system and is mostly used in architecture and engineering drawing. The front elevation and the horizontal plane are placed below the x and y. If you are to be in mathematics, it's called x and y axis above the plan. Now the hidden details is shown with a line we call what? Short dashes. And the left side elevation is placed at the right hand side. Now we have the third angle elevation, which is used by the Americans, but not just them now. Many other countries have also by the idea of using third angle projection. The object is placed in the third quadrant. This means that the vertical plane is in front of the object and the horizontal plane is above the object. Now these are what? The symbols of first angle and third angle projection, which is in our note as well, so you can take down a diagram when copying the notes. Now let's see the assignment we have here before we close for the day. Now number 1 says state the difference between first angle and third angle projection, and secondly, name the principal views of projection. Do have a wonderful day and God bless you.